Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials: an approved Google AdSense account and a Shopify plan that allows theme code edits. Once confirmed, sign into AdSense and create a responsive ad unit. Copy the provided script. Then open Shopify, go to Online Store Themes, and duplicate your live theme for safety. Make sure to use the duplicated theme for testing. This prevents downtime. Finally, locate theme actions and choose edit code so you can paste the snippet into the correct file. Once the theme code editor is open, paste the global AdSense script into theme. Liquid just before the closing head tag. This loads the library site-wide. Next, choose where ads should appear: product pages, blog posts, or collection lists, and insert the ad unit snippet in the corresponding template or section file. Make sure to wrap the ad code in a responsive container so it scales. For example, use a div with max width and auto margins. Save and publish the duplicated theme when ready to preview. You finish by publishing the theme with the ad code and waiting 15 to 30 minutes for ads to appear. AdSense can take time to crawl. If nothing shows, inspect the browser console for JavaScript or mixed content errors and verify Shopify's content security policy isn't blocking the AdSense domain. Also confirm your AdSense account status for policy or payment holds. If ads appear misplaced, adjust CSS or container sizes, then clear caches and recheck both desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.